Alright, so we'll do question number 9 now. Question number 9 says the cost of type 1 onions is rupees 15 per kg and type 2 onions is rupees 20 per kg. If both types 1 and 2 are mixed in the ratio of 2:3, then the price per kilogram of the mixed variety of onions is what? Okay, so we need to find the price of the mixed variety. They are mixed in the ratio of 2:3. The first part is very easy, like we were doing from each and every question. The same thing, create the allegation rule, solve it. So we'll do the same thing here as well. So what we can write here, so we'll write here as 15, that's the first type of onions, then rupees 20, then the mixture that we need to find out, that will be x. 20 is costlier, so 20 minus x. X is costly out to x and 15, so it will be x minus 15. Okay, so we got these things. So what will be the ratio? As far as the ratio is concerned, we'll write like this. So the ratio of type 1 and type 2, so ratio type 1 is to type 2, type 2 is as 20 minus x is to x minus 15. 20 minus x is to x minus 15, right? So we got this equation, this particular ratio. Now we already know the quantity that they are mixed in. They are mixed in ratio of 2:3. 2 is for type 1 and 3 is for type 2. And here also ratio is type 1 is 20 minus 6 and for type 2 it is x minus 15. So we can write here, now we can equate this ratio to the quantity like this. So it will be 20 minus x upon x minus 15 is equal to 2 upon 3. Now you can solve this equation simultaneously. You will ultimately end up in 90 upon 5, that is equal to 18. Okay, so 18 rupees per kg is the value of the mixture, is the cost of the mixture that you will get. Okay, so what we got in now, the cost of type 1 onions is rupees 15 per kg and type 2 onions is rupees 20 per kg. If both type 1 and 2 are mixed in ratio 2:3, the price per kilogram of the mixed variety of onions is, we did allegation, then ratio, compare it to the quantity, so the answer will be rupees 18 per kilogram. Okay, now we'll move to next question, question number 10. Question number 10 says a jar full of whiskey contains 40% alcohol. A part of this whiskey is replaced by another containing 19% alcohol, and now the percentage of alcohol was found to be 26%. The quantity of whiskey replaced is, we need to find out the quantity of whiskey that is replaced. A full jar contained 40% alcohol, it is replaced by 19%, and mixture is 26%. Alright, so we can again do the same allegation rule here as well. So how can we use allegation here? So 19 will be here, cheaper one first, then expensive more quantity here, then 26 here. Alright, so now with allegation, 40 minus 26 will be 14, and on the right side 26 minus 19 will be 7. Alright, so we got the ratio. Okay, so what will be the ratio? So the ratio will be 14:7, that is 2:1. So ratio is equal to 2:1, that is for type 2 and for type 1. Alright, it is similar to the thief, like the shopkeeper must have done it, and original is for 40% and the replaced one is for 19%. Okay, so the quantity of whiskey replaced is, that is what to be found out here. So what we can write here for comparison purposes, like replaced is to original, because I wrote 19 first, that is replaced one, and 40 that is original, that is the previous amount of alcohol in the whiskey. So replaced is to original will be 2:1, right? So now quantity replaced, what is the quantity to replace? Amount replaced now. So the replaced is in two parts and original is in one part. So replaced quantity will be equal to two parts, 2 upon 3, not 1. Okay, so it will be 2 upon 3. That's the solution. So, and original quantity will be 1 upon 3. It is similar to the question that we did previously. So what we did in this question, a jar full of whiskey contains 40% alcohol. A part of this whiskey is replaced by another containing 19% alcohol, and now the percentage of alcohol was found to be 26%. So we did this kind of allegation rule, and we found ratio to be 2:1. This ratio is for 19 and 40. That means 19 is the replaced thing and 40 is the original thing. So replaced is to original is 2:1. Now the question says to find the replaced quantity, how much alcohol is replaced. So it will be 2 upon 3. Alright. Now we'll move to question number 11. So the question number 11 says, a merchant has 1000 kilograms sugar, part of which he sells at 8% profit and the rest of 18% profit. He gains 14% of the whole. The quantity sold at 18% profit is. So try to find out the answer. We'll solve it in next part. Thank you.